After a few days of sunshine, should you be turning on the sprinkler? Studio 5 helps you get gardening and know when it's time to water the lawn.
So one of the smartest tips for your landscape this time of year that will give you a beautiful lawn that's resilient and ready for whatever's going to happen later in the season is to hold off beginning regular watering. We don't really need to start irrigating our lawns regularly until at least Mother's Day each year. And if we do that, we'll get longer, stronger root systems on our lawn that will be more resilient to the heat of July. It's important to kind of learn your lawn and understand what it's trying to communicate to you about when it needs watering. And there's a simple way to do that. We'll do the screwdriver test. We're going to take a screwdriver and push it into the soil. If it goes in easily, that means there's plenty of water already existing in the soil where the lawn roots will take that water up and we don't need to water. If the screwdriver meets a lot of resistance going in, then the soil is dry and it's time to water.